Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to write sky letters. These are the sky letters. What are sky letters? Sky letters are tall letters. They grow up and touch the sky. We are going to learn how to write sky letters. Sky letter H. H. Start from the grass line. Go up to the skyline like this. Come down to the grass line like this. Make a small curve and humps to the grass line like this. The next letter is K. K. Start from the grass line here. Go up to the skyline. Come down to the grass line. Make a small slant in the middle and curve like this. The other letter is L. The sound of L is L. Start from the grass line like this. Come straight to the grass line. Go up to the skyline. Make a small curve like this. The last letter is T. The sound of T is T. Go up to the skyline like this. Come down to the grass line like this. Make a small tail. Add a small cross in the middle like this. Let's practice them again and again. Note copies, your note copies. See you in the next session, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.